Ever pondered upon the creation and deciphering of codes? Coding and decoding is a fascinating world full of patterns, logic, and creativity. Today, we'll delve into this intriguing domain, focusing on 3 types of coding: alphabetical, numerical, and substitutional. Alphabetical coding is a method of translating words or sentences by altering the arrangement of the alphabets, or by changing the alphabets themselves. Imagine a word like Nepal. This can be coded by simply reversing the order to Lapen. Another method involves picking out specific letters from the word, like from Pokhara, we could take Ochar. Incrementing or decrementing of alphabets is another popular method. For instance, nice can be coded as Okfi by incrementing each letter by its position. Or consider zebra, which can be coded as AVEs by reversing the alphabetical order. Numerical coding, on the other hand, involves assigning numerical values to alphabets. The letter A can be coded as 1, 26, or 27, depending on your coding system. The word Nepal could be coded as 5, representing the number of alphabets. The word Norway could be coded as 2, denoting the number of vowels. The word Ka could be coded as 9 or 27, representing the square or cube of the number of alphabets. Words can also be coded by summing or multiplying the numerical values of their alphabets. For example, bat can be coded as 23 and cat as 60. Lastly, substitutional coding replaces words with other words based on a universal truth or fact. If red is coded as white, then the color of blood in this code would be white. If white is coded as black, then the color of milk in this code would be black. In summary, coding and decoding involves a wide range of techniques, from simple alphabetical shifting to complex numerical and substitutional codes.